one time. It wasn't even loud. You messed up on your own self.
I cannot open this. Yeah, but I don't want to break the box. I always keep the boxes. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, I want to thank you so much for your support. So in this video, as you can see in the title, I will be unboxing my Apple Watch Series 8 in the Starlight aluminum case with the sport band. The color is Starlight, as I mentioned, and this one is in the 41 millimeter. I'm also gonna be comparing it to my son's Apple Watch and to my husband's Apple Watch. I want to show you some features of this watch. This is not a scratch, it's a hair. And the color Starlight is so beautiful. I think it's such a neutral color that will go with everything I wear. And right here, if you can see that, it says 41. Gives you the size right there. Gives you the series inside, and it's a small medium band. So now let's go right into the unboxing. This is the new Apple Watch, so let's unbox this for the first time. I have not looked or peeked, as you saw. This is a legit unboxing, and this is what it looks like. It's a cardboard box, and wow, look how pretty. Looks so beautiful. Their packaging is amazing. So this is the watch, and this is the wristlet. And let's open the wristband first. So this is the Starlight Sport Band, and this is in the size 41, small, medium, and let's get it unboxed, because my son had to help me because I couldn't figure it out. And then this is what it looks like. Matches with everything. Let's put that aside and let's get into the unboxing of the watch. And there it is. Here is the charger for the watch, exactly the same as the one I had. And here is, and there it is. It's not on or anything. So pretty. The color Starlight is amazing, at least for me. It's like a champagne-y gold color. So let's slip these on. This is super easy to put on. You just like that, and you hear the snap. Let's see if we can hear that snap. There it is. And let me just compare before I put it on with my old watch. Mine is the 6 in 38 millimeters. There is an obvious difference in the size. as you can see, and this one was in the rose gold. Beautiful. And put it on. And so this is what it looks like on me, and I have very small wrists, but that's what it looks like. The color is stunning. Love the color. I really love it. This is what the charger looks like, in case you have not seen a charger of one of these. It is just like the previous ones. They don't bring the box, so you have to have one and be able to get one, and the watch will magnetize on this like that. Yeah, so this is the unboxing of my new Apple Watch Series 8 in the Starlight. Let's get right into pairing it with my phone. That was the unboxing of this beautiful watch, and I want to compare it to my son's watch, which is the 45 millimeter in Series 8. Let's compare the size. It is an obvious size difference. As you can see, that his is bigger. The face is bigger. There you go. Hopefully you can see that it's a good comparison right there. And even from the back you can tell that his is not so much the width, but the length from top to bottom, and not so much the width. The width, even then, it's a little bigger. But yeah, and this is not broken. This is a cover that he has, and of course you know that guys are rough, so that's what they do to their watches. That, and then this one is my husband's, which is the titanium, and this one is 49 millimeters. And as you can see, there is a big, huge difference between the 45 millimeter and the 41, which is mine, in height, in width. You can see it. I think this one fits on top of this one. That's how big it is. Yes, it does. And here it is larger and also thicker. Of course, this is titanium and this is aluminum, so the difference is huge in materials, but yeah, in sizes. And let me see if I can show you all three of them side by side for a size reference. See, there is a big difference between all three sizes, especially the 49 millimeter, between the 41 and the 49 millimeter. So my son is going to be the model for the day. Do you mind putting it on? So as you see, this is how it looks on my son's wrist. He got a pretty big hand, so yeah, that's what it looks like. And let me show you how my husband's look on him as well. Okay, so you see this one is much bigger, and it's noticeable that it's bigger. It looks very very nice, very manly. All right, so this is what this watch will look like on me. Obviously it is way too big for me. Horrible, that face that you have on it.
It's Broderick Merzick. Don't disrespect Broderick Merzick. Broderick Merzick in the biz.
So this is my son's watch, how it looks on me. It's a little bigger than mine. I really see the difference, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, and this is what my watch looks like. This is the 41 millimeter. I think for small wrist or hand girl like me, I think a 41 millimeter is perfect. I had the 38, as you saw in the unboxing, and it was perfect for my wrist, but I think that a 41 millimeter is even better. Let me move these right here so I can show you some accessories that I got for, oh, by the way, I wanted to speak about the chargers. So the old charger for the Apple Watch used to be it's exactly the same one as the one that this one brought, but this one has this that you need the block for, just like your iPhone that you need the block in order to charge it. And then the new charger for the Apple Watch, now it is exactly the same. I have this little cutie patootie little thing to put it in so it can stand. It makes it easier to put it to charge like that. But now it comes with this type of charger at the end. So you have to get yourself one of these, which I got it in Amazon, and you plug it like this in order for it, I guess it's a converter, to be able to then put it into the block to charge. Apple is trying to do its thing so you can spend more money. But anyways, that's besides the point. But for the watch, I bought one of these bands that it's like a stretchy band. This I got in Amazon. I mean, to be honest, you can find all kind of accessories in Amazon. I also bought a set of, I don't know how many of these that I've been interchanging also. This one was from the old watch that I had. You can see it's stained and all, so, but I also have another pink one which I can change into. I have a sand color one which is exactly the same color as this one. I have the black, of course everybody needs a black one so they can interchange. And then I also have this very nice emerald green type of color, which is a good statement piece, right? And like I said, this one as well. And this one that I bought in Palmetto, I think the store, Palmetto, and it's floral and so cute, like for the summer right now. Like I'm going on a cruise, so I'll probably change it into this. It's very summery looking. So yeah, this is the unboxing of this beautiful watch, and we all got new Apple Watches. I want to ask you that if you found in any way this video fun and entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and what?
Y'all subscribe, bro. Turn on y'all post notifications. If y'all not doing that, I don't know what y'all doing for real.
Let me share with you this beautiful scripture.
Psalms 23 verse 4 reads, "Even though I walk in the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me." Amen.
So there you go. I leave you with that. And I want to thank you for watching until the end. God bless you. God keep you. And until next time, ciao. How the heck do you open this? Doesn't want to open. Because their footsteps, I can hear it in the background. I thought I could slip it out. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time trying to open it. Am I right? Yours, 45? Yours.